Imagine identifying any banknote in under a second. Imagine reading a printed menu or a medicine label just by pointing your phone at it. Imagine walking down an unfamiliar street and knowing every shop, cafe, and bus stop around you. If you are blind, have low vision, or love someone who does, your iPhone is already one of the most powerful assistive tools ever made. You simply need the right apps. In the next 3 minutes, I will share 4 iPhone apps built for blind users in 2026. Every one of them works anywhere in the world. None of them require special glasses or extra hardware. Let us begin. The first app is ID Pro. Think of it as an all-in-one pocket assistant. You open the app, point your camera, and tap the See Object button. Within seconds, it describes what it sees, whether that is a coffee cup, a friend's face, or the layout of an unfamiliar room. Switch to Read Text mode, and it reads printed text out loud, which is perfect for handling mail, scanning a menu, or checking a medicine box. There's also a Where Am I feature that speaks your exact location and lists nearby places, including bus stops, restaurants, hospitals, and ATMs. You can even adjust the search radius. It is the kind of app that gives you confidence the moment you step outside your door. Next is LookTel Money Reader, and this one is a true daily essential. Just point your iPhone camera at any banknote, and the app instantly speaks the denomination out loud. There is no shutter to press, no waiting for a photo to process, and no need to hold your phone perfectly still. The app recognizes 21 different currencies, including the US dollar, the euro, the British pound, the Japanese yen, the Indian rupee, the Australian dollar, and the Canadian dollar. Even better, it works completely offline. That means you can identify cash at a market in any city on the planet without needing a network connection. Whether you're traveling, shopping, or simply sorting the bills in your wallet, this app belongs on every blind user's home screen. The third app is VocalEyes AI, and it is completely free forever. The interface is beautifully simple. You open the app, tap once, and it describes whatever your camera sees. It identifies everyday objects, reads printed text, recognizes logos and product packaging, detects faces, and even estimates expressions and emotions. It can also read currency. Because there are no menus to memorize and no complex gestures to learn, VocalEyes is a fantastic starting point for anyone new to assistive technology and a brilliant backup for experienced users. Keep it on the first page of your home screen and you will reach for it far more often than you expect. For a free app, the level of detail it offers is genuinely remarkable. And finally, Read for the Blind. This app, created by the Thailand Association of the Blind, opens up a huge global library of free audiobooks, articles, and magazines, all recorded by volunteers around the world. If commercial audiobook subscriptions are out of reach, or if you want local language content that bigger services do not offer, this app is genuinely life-changing. Sighted family and friends can also record content directly inside the app, instantly adding new books to the shared library. It is a quiet, beautiful example of community-powered accessibility, and it costs nothing to use. So those are the 4: ID Pro for daily independence, LookTel Money Reader for cash, VocalEyes AI for scene descriptions, Read for the Blind for a world of free audiobooks. If this helped you or someone you love, please share it with one person today. The right app at the right moment can truly change a life. Thank you for watching.